Hey there, I'm Stick, and today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to learn your multiplication tables. You've probably heard that there are 144 multiplication facts, from 1 times 1 all the way to 12 times 12. Sounds like a lot, right? But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll see how just 6 simple rules can help you remember almost all of them, leaving only a few to practice. Let's start with the easiest one. Rule number 1, multiplying by 1. Anything times 1 stays the same. Think of 1 as a mirror. It just reflects the number you already have. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 10 times 1 is 10. Easy. And the best part? You also know the reverse facts. 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4. Just like that, one rule already gives you 23 multiplication facts without even trying. Now let's move to rule number 2, multiplying by 10. This one's super fun because 0 is the hero. Every time you multiply a number by 10, you just add a 0 to the end. 2 times 10, that's 20, a 2 with a 0. 3 times 10, 30, a 3 with a 0. See how simple that is? And again, you know both ways. 10 times 2, 10 times 3, they're the same. After just 2 rules, you already know 44 facts. That's a big win. Okay, rule number 3, multiplying by 11. Here's a cool trick. When you multiply a single-digit number by 11, that number just duplicates itself. 2 times 11 is 22. 3 times 11 is 33. 4 times 11 is 44. So easy you can do it in your head. And just like before, you also know the reverse. 11 times 2, 11 times 3, and so on. That's already 60 multiplication facts in total, and we're only halfway there. Now, let's jump to rule number 4, multiplying by 2. This one is super simple because it's just doubling. 2 times 2 is the same as 2 plus 2. 3 times 2 is 3 plus 3. 5 times 2, 5 plus 5. That's 10. If you ever forget, you can also use the skip counting method. That means you count by 2s, like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. When you reach the 9th count, you stop. 9 times 2 is 18. Pretty neat, right? With this rule, you now know 77 multiplication facts. See how fast this is going? Let's move to rule number 5, multiplying by 5. This one's all about rhythm. Counting by 5s is one of the easiest things ever. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So, if you need to find 7 times 5, you just count by 5s 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop at 35. That's your answer. Once again, because multiplication works both ways, you also know 5 times 7, 5 times 6, 5 times 9, all from the same pattern. Now you already know 92 facts just from 5 rules. And finally, rule number 6, multiplying by 9. This one might sound tricky, but there's a fun shortcut. Let's say you want to multiply 2 by 9. First, take 1 less than that number. 1 less than 2 is 1. Then ask yourself, 1 plus what equals 9? The answer is 8. Put those 2 digits together, 1 and 8, and you get 18. Let's try another one. 3 times 9, 1 less than 3 is 2. And now, 2 plus what equals 9? That's 7. So, the answer is 27. You can keep going. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is 54, and so on. All the way to 9 times 9, which is 81. It's a pattern that never fails, and once you learn it, you'll never forget it. So now, with just 6 simple rules, you know more than 100 multiplication facts. That means only a small handful, about 24, are left to practice. And those, you'll master them in no time with just a few minutes of daily review. Remember, learning multiplication doesn't have to be hard or boring. It's all about finding patterns, using shortcuts, and practicing a little bit every day. You can use a phone, a tablet, or even a computer to practice. The key is to make it fun, because when learning feels fun, you learn faster. Stickman smiles, gives a thumbs up. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a piece of paper, start with these 6 rules, and you'll be a multiplication master before you know it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, with the right tricks, math can be easy and awesome.